If you would like to know how I achieved this soft lock look, stay tuned. I will be using the Bobby Boss New Locks hair, deep wave hair, and this is how it looks out of the pack. And then I'm also going to be using the Nady Spring Twist hair to wrap. So I'm going to start off by using my Nourish Tresses leave-in conditioner to moisturize her hair and blow dry her hair. I just want to thank you guys for tuning in to another video. I greatly appreciate everyone that has subscribed to my channel, liked the video, commented on the video, shared the video. If you told a friend, I thank you very much for that, to help grow my YouTube channel. So basically, I just wanted to show y'all how I achieve this soft lock look. It's a lot of different ways that you can do it. So I think I will be uploading different methods that I do, and I may even upload an actual tutorial, but today's video is not a tutorial. It's just a time lapse of me doing the soft locks on my mom hair. So my mom has really thick hair, and that's why her parts are more like medium than small, because I don't want to put too many locks on her head and her hair be really heavy. Her hair is already heavy by itself, so we don't need any extra heaviness. So with this style, I wanted to do something a little bit different. I usually only use the new locks and then I would just wrap them. But for her hair, I decided to do like a goddess lock look. So that's why I'm using the deep wave hair to give her a little bit of a curl on the end, just to switch it up a bit. We also did the burgundy color, because this hairstyle was for her to go out of town. So she went to Vegas with this hairstyle and it was super cute. I love soft locks because they are a protective style. So it's great for people that are either relaxed or natural. It doesn't matter. You can get this style. And you can have long hair with this style too. My mom hair is more like a medium length, but I have done these on people whose hair was down their back. So it's great for all textures. It's great for all lengths. It's just a great protective style for you to wear. She kept this style in for about 2 months. Her hair was nice and protected. Of course, we made sure that we moisturized her hair before we braided it up so that it wasn't brittle and breaking off inside of the lock. Low tension hairstyle, meaning it's not pulling on her hair really hard. It wasn't tight at all. This hairstyle is very flexible. As soon as I finish her hair, you're going to see that she's able to put it up in a ponytail. It's not going to hurt to go to sleep on it or anything. So that's why I really love this hairstyle, because it lasts a long time and it's comfortable for the client. I hate to get my hair braided or anything and then I'm worried about how I'm going to go to sleep tonight because my head is hurting. Like, we can't do that. And I never want my clients to be hurting or be uncomfortable. Like, I never want that for my clients. If your hair is uncomfortable, that's not good. It could cause breakage, and that's why a lot of people experience breakage around their edges or balding around their edges, because the hair is basically just pulling. It's too tight and it's too much tension on your hair and it's pulling out, and that can lead to alopecia. I'm gonna stop right here. I'm not gonna be talking y'all head off the whole time, because I know y'all don't want to listen to me talk. Y'all just want to watch the video. But I just wanted to give y'all a little bit of information on this style and how it works if you're interested in getting it for yourself. Enjoy this beautiful hairstyle time lapse. Appreciate everyone for tuning in. Make sure that you like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you are notified whenever I upload a new video. Alright, so as I'm finishing up her hair, I just want to tell you guys that I did pre-soak her hair so that she don't experience any itching from the chemicals that are used on the hair to preserve it. So after I finished her hair, I oiled her scalp with my Nourish Tresses anti-itch oil. It helps with itchiness and dandruff. Right here I'm showing you guys that this hairstyle is very flexible. You can put it up in a ponytail. I'm also showing you guys the texture of this hairstyle. It is very textured and it gives a very natural look, like it is your own locks. This style is not heavy at all. It is very light. It's very flexible on her head. And it's super cute. This style took me about 6 hours to do, so that's not bad for the amount of work that you put in for this style. It's a very good protective style, and I really encourage anyone to get this style. It's great for all textures, and it's just super cute. And you guys should stay tuned for the next video because I will be uploading how to take down this style, how to remove the sock lock